In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI sound effects in Elevenlabs. To get started, open your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you are inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and select Sound Effects. This is the section where you can create custom audio effects simply by describing what you want in words, which makes the process fast and very beginner-friendly. After that, go down to the description area near the bottom and type an exact description of the sound you want into the text box. The more specific and clear you are, the better your results will usually be. For example, instead of typing something vague like rain, you can write something more detailed, such as heavy rain on a tin roof. That gives the AI stronger direction and helps it generate something that feels closer to what you had in mind. Next, choose the duration for your sound effect. You can set a specific length up to 30 seconds. If you already know how long you need the audio to be. If you are not sure, you can also let the AI decide automatically. That can be useful if you just want to test ideas quickly and hear what the system comes up with. You'll also see a prompt influence slider. This controls how closely the generated sound follows your written prompt. The default is 30%, which is often a good starting point. If you want the AI to stick more closely to your description, you can increase it. If you want a little more variation or creativity, you can leave it lower. It's a simple setting, but it can make a noticeable difference in the outcome. From there, turn on looping if you want the sound to repeat smoothly, which is especially helpful for ambient effects or background audio. Also enable automatically improve shorts. This can help refine shorter sound generations so they come out cleaner and more polished. When everything looks good, click the arrow to generate your sound effect. Elevenlabs will then create 4 high-quality variations for you. Then save and use it. This is helpful because you can compare different versions of the same idea and pick the one that best fits your project. If none of them feel quite right, you can always adjust your description, duration, or prompt influence and generate again for better results. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.